Hello guys, welcome to the channel again. And by this video, this first one, we are starting a new series or a new playlist of Python. So today is the first video in which we will be learning about the basics of Python. And you guys know already, who are from the CS or IT background, that where Python is used. Like we are using Python in machine learning, we are using Python in the backend of the web development projects. So it is needed and it is used everywhere in our tech industry. So Python is one of the most needed language, one of the most famous language in our tech industry. So we will be learning that, and by that we will be doing project, means by the course of this playlist we will be doing many projects also. So let's start with the Python basics, and for that you need this one. What is this? I think you know, this is VS Code or Visual Studio Code, and I have already installed my Visual Studio Code over here in my PC, but you need to install it. If you haven't done yet, you can check our channel, and one specified video is already there about the VS Code installation, or you can ask me to show it again. Let's open Mozilla, a browser or anything, write VS Code. The first website comes over here. I don't need loans, personal loans. So here you are coming and clicking on the download from Windows. So that's it, and you will install it. I think you know, and if you are facing any kind of difficulties, you can check that video. So after installing VS Code, what we need to do first is creating a folder on the home screen naming Python basics. Clear? So now is the main part. Drag this one, put it over VS Code. See what happens. Here opens the VS Code. So after installing the VS Code, you need to download few extensions for the smooth running of the Python. So we will be typing a Python. Here is Python. You should download this one, means install this one, and the Python extension pack. Here it is many things are like here Python 3 point something 9, Django, Jinja, IntelliCode, Python Intent, and Python Environment Manager. Many things are there. So you should install all those two things. Now coming inside this folder Python basics, we will be creating one file, and we will be naming it. What is the first thing? Hello world. Hello world dot what? Guess what? Py. So here is our first Python file. So let's start with printing hello world. Let's print it. Print hello world. Is it correct, guys? If you think it's correct, comment down yes. If you think it's not correct, comment down no. So let's run it. One more thing, you must install code runner in the extension file, extension tab. You go and type code runner. It will be easy for you. So let's run this code. Here it is printing hello world. So our code is correct. Let's jump into our second part. We are let's print something else. Let's try one thing. Print, no, I will not give curly braces. Hello world. Will it print? Let's see. No, error is coming. Remove all those things. Like, try this. Let's print it. No, error. So we need to give both. So this line of code is wrong. So now we will be learning about variables. Variables. What are variables? Let's check it. Like I am taking x equals to how much? 5. Okay, x equals to 5. Now I need to print 5. How can I print that? Let's say print, inside this I will write x. Will it work? Let's see. Answer, let's clear it. Clear output and play. Here it is coming. It is correct. So hello world is for the first print, and print x means printing 5. So x is a variable. Is it clear, guys? So x is a variable and we are printing the variable. Maybe I am giving the value of x as 199999. So let's run it once again. See, hello world 199999. So x is a variable, and what should we do? We should play with variables, like we can play like just let it be over here. Let's take a variable small x. No, let's take a equals to subscribe and b equals to 90. Both are variables, correct? Both are variables. Let's print both of them, like print a and print b. Let's run it. Some error is coming. Subscribe is not defined. So the problem we see is we haven't put these two things over here. Now see, let's clear it. Clear output. Here it is. For the first print we are having hello world. For the second print x we are having 1999. For the third print a we have subscribe, and for the fourth we have 90. We have written 90. Yeah, clear. And for the next thing, let's see, can we declare or take variables together? Let's try it, like m comma n comma o comma p equals to, we say m is mango, comma n is yellow, no, not mango, no. Let's give some interesting examples. Subscribe supernova for what? For learning Python. learning, no space, Python. Clear? One thing I have missed, comma and comma. So will it, sorry, I have put the comma in wrong place. So will it run? Let's print it. Print what? M. Let's try one thing more. N O P. Will it print together? Let's try it. And I should comment all those things, like just put double slash. Sorry, what is happening? Let's remove it. One second. Let's remove it. Now clear this one. Subscribe supernova for learning Python. It is printing correctly. That's nice. Means we had taken 4 variables together, m, n, o and p. Clear? We had taken subscribe supernova for learning. We had taken 4 variables together, and we had printed the 4 variables together. So I think it's clear for you. Like, and one thing, let's try this one. Let's cut the 4. Let's run this one. See, for was here, which was a word, and word is replaced by a digit. So when the word is replaced by a digit, it is means we do not need those what it is said, I have forgotten the name, anything like that. So is it clear? I think it's clear. Means the thing is so easy for you guys. So this much is for the first day. Means we are done with the variables part, and this much. Anything left? No, nothing is left. Like, nothing is left. So we are done with our first part, and we are coming back with the second part very soon. So like the video if you liked it, subscribe the channel, and turn on the bell notification for, means when we will be uploading the next part, you will be getting it at first. Means the first you will be getting the video. So thank you for being with me for such a long time and learning Python. So thank you guys. Goodbye.